to my channel. It's your girl latesha-kharizma. To all my new KSQUAD members, welcome. Let's jump right into this review. Okay, you guys, y'all already know what time it is. It is the beginning of the month, which means we are talking about all the new drops from Outre. There is a lot for us to get into, so let's just go ahead and start. So first we have from the Quick Weave series, Miss Kiana, hopefully I'm saying it right. 14 inches in length, yaki texture, wavy style. The color shown is 1B and DR2 cream toffee. I think this is really pretty for the Quick Weave series. Remember, with Quick Weaves, you can leave your own hair out and mix it into the hair, like the wig hair, or you can wear a headband. It's basically like a throw on and go. All the Quick Weaves are like mad cheap, they're mad affordable, and they have really been stepping up their game with these styles with the Quick Weave series. I do like this one. I think this one is really gorgeous. I don't like that half up, half down like look though, but I think the other photo is really pretty with the DR2 cream toffee. It's really pretty, and like I said, I think that this is going to do really well with the Quick Weave series. So we're going to go ahead and keep our eyes out for that one this month. Yeah, that's cute. It's cute. So next up we have Miss Casella from the Melted Hairline series, 22 inches in length. Yaki texture. The style is going to be a loose, curly, basic lace front. Color shown 430, Pika 3527, DRFF2/Fudge Sunday, and Flamingo Pink. I'm going to tell you right now, you guys already know me and Melted Hairlines do not get along. It just depends on the style, because Melted Hairlines have flaps on the sides and they just irk me to death because you have to like melt those down, and if you do it wrong, it's just going to look a whole mess. So I do love the style of Casella. I love this DRFF2/Fudge Sunday color. Outre and these color blends, they do no wrong. They can do no wrong. I think this is a gorgeous unit. Gorgeous unit. Even looking at the back of this, it is really nice. It's nicely layered. The Flamingo Pink color is a bit bright for me, but I mean, you know, it'll work for somebody, girl, just not for your girl over here. And I also love that Pika 3527 color. So I think both of the colors are really pretty. I'm really leaning on getting both of those colors, the Fudge Sunday and the Pika 3527. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking about Casella, because I really want to review it. But like I said, I'm just on the fence. I cannot stand melted hairlines. I cannot stand them. If it was a perfect hairline, oh my God, this would be so perfect. So yeah, y'all let me know down below what you guys are thinking. Also from the Melted Hairline series, we have Adelina. This is a 14-inch unit, wavy style. This is going to be a basic lace front. The color shown is DR Brown Sugar Swirl, DR2 Ginger Brown, and DRFF4 Golden Honey. Okay, Adelina is really pretty. I don't think this should have been a melted hairline. It definitely just could have been a regular lace front. Or I would say a perfect hairline. I do love the style. It's very chic, very chic, but could be a hit or miss. It could be a hit or miss depending, you know, because of how the style is with that blunt cut. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to watch somebody else's review on this. I don't think I want to like jump over the fence and purchase this unit, but I still think it's a pretty style for the summer. I mean, it's nice and short, it's fun, it's flirty. So you guys let me know what you're thinking about Adelina. Okay, so we have a new series from Outre. This is called the Fab and Fly 100% human hair gray glamour. Faith, if you're watching this, girl, yes, I want to see Faith review these. Human hair, pixie cut. Texture is yaki. The style is going to be straight. The color shown is 34 and OM 28044. OM means ombre. This is really pretty. You know what? I think I might dive in. With the color 280. 280 is leaning towards more of a black color. But all the gray colors are just so pretty. The gray color blends. Ooh, and then they have natural brown as well. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This is so chic. Oh, this is so chic. There's so many different like ways that you could style this short unit. I really think I'm going to dive in, because usually with short units and me having a peanut sized head and me being really small in stature, like frame, it works for me. Every time I whacked my hair off and done a short style, I've always gotten compliments. So I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes open for Celia. I think I'm gonna review her, you guys. What do you guys think? I think this is so pretty. It's so innovative. Outre be just keeping the foots on the necks. Do y'all hear me? Like, that is such a gorgeous unit, you guys. Let me know what you're thinking down below. Okay, y'all, so next up, I talked about this last month in my What's New in Outre, but sometimes Outre does not drop the unit. depending on the month or depending on how Outre feeling that day, girl. So this is the HHB Glam Curls 24. HHB stands for Human Hair Blend. 24 inches in length, yaki texture, loose curly style, 5x5 lace closure, color shown, ginger copper kiss, and golden honey blonde. I will not be reviewing this. It is a gorgeous unit, but it is so much hair. You know when you get units and it's just so much hair, you don't know what to do with it. Even though these are styled in like half up, half downs, and like left parts and right parts because it's a 5x5. Like, I don't even think that's gonna help. It's just so much hair. I think this would be better suited for maybe the fall and winter months. Also, it looks like a wig that you cannot wear every day. This is one of those, you know, I'm gonna just get out and glam it up wigs. You know, I mean, come on, the name is Glam Curls 24. So you guys let me know down below what you're thinking, but it's gonna be a pass for me. Okay, so from the Doobie Wig series, we have Miss Pamela. This is gonna be a 100% human hair wig. The length on her is pixie, the texture is yaki, the style is curly. Color shown DB1B/purple and S1B/30. Purple is my favorite color. I think this is really pretty. It's I don't know, it's different. It's different, and we like different over here at latesha-kharizma, right? But I don't know, like the curl, it's cute. It's cute. I'm on the fence. You guys let me know down below what you're thinking. It just is giving cosplay to me, costumey, you know. So let me know down below what you guys are thinking. I think I'm gonna pass on Pamela. Yeah. Okay, so jumping back to the quick weave series, we have Phoebe or Febby, girl, these names, 20 inches in length, yaki texture, loose curly style, color shown DR2 light natural brown and DR4 tiramisu. Okay, Phoebe is pretty. This is really, really nice. I love like styles that are just like really relaxed. It's not doing too much. And I think this is one of those styles. Now, being that it's a quick weave, once again, you can wear your own hair out or just blend it into the wig or just rock a headband on there. I think this is really cute. It's really simple. It's really chic. I do love the colors that it is shown in. Tiramisu is like one of my favorite colors, even though I don't know how to pronounce it. And my subscribers are always in my comments like, this is how you say it, and I always just screw it up. But yeah, it's one of my favorite colors, you guys. This is really pretty. Let me know what you're thinking, if you're going to go ahead and pass or go ahead and just step on the gas and buy it. So from the Wig Pop series, we have Alice, 16 inches in length, yaki texture, wavy style, color shown DR99 Rosy Spice and DRFF4/Vanilla Ash Blonde. Once again, this is a really cute style. I love the fact that Outre, I don't know who over there is in their marketing team or whatever, but they really pay attention to different hairstyles, and I just love that about Outre. This is really nice. I may review it. I may review it in the Vanilla Ash Blonde. It's just, it screams summer to me. Once again, simple, chic, and cute. Wig pops are always simple. They're always simple. They're throw on and goes. They're full wigs. These are not frontals or anything like that. This is a full wig. So how you see the style on the style card is exactly how you wear the style, right? This is really pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, jump over the bridge and go ahead and purchase this one. Let me know down below what you guys are thinking. I think this is really cute. This is so cute. Okay, so from the Daily Wig series, we have Brianna. 20 inches in length, yaki texture, wavy style. This is the lace part wig, color shown ST Orange Creamsicle and TD Blue Sea. Okay, this one's cute. The Daily Wig I usually do not purchase. They are very hit or miss. The hair texture is just bad. Like, maybe they've stepped it up since then, but I haven't worn a Daily Wig in years. But nonetheless, I still think this one is pretty. The TD Blue Sea color is absolutely gorgeous. That creamsicle color, I don't, it's pretty, but it's like, girl. So yeah, y'all let me know, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and pass on Brianna, but she's still cute. I like the wave, she cute. Okay, so we have another one from the Fab and Fly Gray Glamour series. Human hair, pixie length, yaki texture, curly style, color shown 34 and 51. So this one I'm definitely gonna pass on. It's just not for me, but it could be for somebody else, but it's just not for me. I'm not even gonna go into detail about this unit. Like Like I said, it's not for me, but it's for somebody, girl, but it ain't for charisma. You guys let me know down below what you're thinking of Carly, and would you rock Carly, or are you gonna go pick her up? Like I said, it's not for me, but that's okay, because it's always gonna be for somebody else, right? So y'all let me know down below what y'all thinking about Carly. So from the Converti Cap series, I love Converti Caps, as a matter of fact. 14 inches in length, natural yaki, curly style, color shown 1B and DR Dragon Fruit. This is Spiral Symphony. Okay, this is a winner. This is a winner. I love how they have styled this unit with the headband, with the half up, half down, with the middle part, with the side part. Like, oh my God, I just love it. Converti caps are basically units that you can convert. So you can just style it any way you want to. You can wear it as a half wig, a full wig, up, down, braids, whatever. And Converti caps, once again, are always affordable. They're like 20 bucks. I do want to review this. I really, really want to review this. Let me see what the colors are again, you guys. Okay, DR Dragon Fruit. Let me see. Okay, that ain't DR Dragon Fruit. I think that's DR Chai Latte. But either way, that's the color I want to go ahead and review it. And this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Can you imagine how it looks like when it's like combed or brushed out? Ooh, how cute for the summer, ma'am. Oh my God, I'm going to Six Flags this month, and I've been looking for a wig to wear there, because usually I wear my real hair like up in a ponytail. But I think I want to do a wig because it'll be a little bit easier, and this one might just work. Let me know down below what you're thinking of Spiral Symphony, girl. This is a winner chicken dinner. Okay, guys, so from the Sleek Lay Park series, Nailani, 26 inches, light yaki texture, wavy style, basic lace front. Color shown DRST Emerald Green and DRST Purple Dream. This is really pretty. I know Courtney's gonna love it because it has bangs. The bangs look strange to me, but that's just my own opinion. I do love the emerald green color. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do like how they have this style, but girl, I don't know. The bangs is kind of questionable. The bangs is questionable, you guys. Y'all let me know down below what you're thinking, because I love the Sleek Lay Park series because it does what it says. It lays very flat to the scalp. But those bangs, it's like, girl, why are they so thin? Like, I think they should have been thicker. Maybe it's just me. I don't know, sis. I don't know, but y'all let me know down below. Okay, guys, last but not least, I believe I talked about this last month, but I'm not for sure. The Everywhere Every 42, 20 inches in length, yaki texture style is going to be loose curly. Color shown DR4 Creamy Ash Blonde and Ginger Auburn. Okay, so the Creamy Ash Blonde is a winner. That's definitely going to be a winner. I definitely want to review this. The Everywheres have just been getting better and better and better. Every time they drop one, it's better than the last one. Once again, very affordable. This is great for the summer. It does look like the density on this is going to be a tad bit big because it does look like a lot of hair, but I still want to go ahead and review her. She's like absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So y'all let me know down below, because I think I will kill that creamy ash blonde color. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So my final thoughts, I really like this drop. Last drop was kind of questionable, but this month, the drop is very, very good. I'm really excited about all the wigs that are going to be dropping this month. Outre, please drop all these wigs. Y'all know how y'all be doing over there, girl. But I'm really excited to review these wigs. And yeah, it was a good drop, you guys. So let me know down below, once again, what you're thinking, what you're feeling. And don't forget to like, comment, share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay beautiful and blessed as always. Bye.